Since the oceans contain more than 97% of the Earth's hydrosphere, it's not surprising that they're large. In fact, almost 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered by oceans. On average, these oceans are about 97% water, 2.72% sodium chloride, and 0.78% other salts. Now please understand what I mean when I use the term salt. When you talk about salt, you're talking about table salt, sodium chloride. Now that is a good part of what's in the ocean. However, when a chemist uses the term salt, the chemist is referring to a broad class of compounds which dissolve in water. So when we say that the oceans are made up of salt water, we're saying that the oceans are made up of water that has a broad class of chemical compounds dissolved in it. Of course, salt water is not the only thing you find in the oceans. The oceans are also teeming with life. One of the most majestic creatures you'll find there is the whale. Whales are mammals, and another kind of mammal you can find living in the ocean is the dolphin. Whales, dolphins, and most of the other creatures who live in the ocean have been specifically designed to live in salt water. Indeed, if I took one of the creatures that lives in the oceans and put it in fresh water, it probably would not survive for very long. In the same way, if I took a freshwater creature and tried to put it in one of the oceans, it probably wouldn't survive for very long either. So the oceans and the creatures that live in them have been perfectly designed for one another. A great testament to the power and majesty of the Creator.